Ever wondered if the first CNC machine also made the same brrr noise like a disgruntled cat that swallowed a chainsaw just like today's machines? Well, buckle up, we're diving headfirst into this riveting tale. Our story of CNC, or computer numerical control, starts in the 1940s, a time when computers were less of a household item and more like something out of a Star Trek episode. Those brave pioneers of the tech world like John T. Parsons and Frank L. Stulin were grappling with a world where digital was about as familiar a term as alien abduction, and automation was something you would only dare dream about after a cheese-induced nightmare. In the beginning, CNC machines were less of the sleek, efficient systems we're used to today, and more like hulking mechanical monsters that probably roared, relying on a system of gears and pulleys to do their thing. Their heart, punch tape, a strip of paper with holes punched into it to represent data. Yes, folks, paper. The same stuff we use to scribble our shopping lists on. This punch tape was like the machine's how-to guide, telling it where to sachet, what to chop, and when to take a breather. Each hole in the tape corresponded to a specific machine action. It was like a coded message, a secret gibberish that only the machine could decipher. But this Flintstones-esque system was not without its hiccups. The machines were as bulky as a sumo wrestler, slower than a snail on vacation, and prone to tantrums. A single misplaced punch could throw the whole shebang off track, leading to costly and agonizingly slow errors. The margin for error was thinnest than a supermodel on a diet, and one teensy-weensy mistake could lead to a full-blown industrial disaster. Yet, amidst these teething troubles, the potential of CNC was glaringly obvious. Its knack to automate complex tasks and create precise, identical parts was a game-changer. This was like the first cup of coffee in the morning for manufacturing, a time when machines began to take over tasks that were once the domain of skilled craftsmen. As the years rolled on, the technology morphed, the punch tape evolved into more advanced forms of data storage, and the machines went from tortoise to hare, becoming faster, more exact, more reliable. But the spirit of innovation, of Parsons and Stulin, that drove those early pioneers remains at the heart of CNC technology today. So imagine a world where a single typo on a punched tape could lead to a full-blown industrial catastrophe. Hilarious and horrifying, isn't it? From punch tapes to digital interfaces, the journey of CNC machines is like witnessing a caveman discovering fire, and then inventing the microwave. It's a tale of technological evolution that would make even Darwin proud. The earliest CNC machines relied on punch tape, a form of data storage that dates back to the late 19th century. These machines were essentially glorified typewriters, punching holes in long strips of paper to store information. The punch tape would then be fed into the CNC machine, which would read the holes like a code and perform the corresponding operations. Picture a musician playing a piano roll on a player piano and you get the idea. But as the world entered the space age, so too did CNC technology. The late 1960s saw the advent of CAD/CAM systems, which stands for Computer-Aided Design and Computer-Aided Manufacturing. With these systems, engineers could design a part on a computer and then send the digital blueprint directly to the CNC machine. This not only sped up the design process, but also allowed for much more complex and precise parts to be made. It was like going from carving a statue with a chisel to sculpting it with a laser. The transition from punch tape to digital interfaces was a game-changer. It was akin to swapping out your horse and buggy for a supercharged sports car. Digital interfaces allowed for real-time adjustments and feedback, making the CNC building process more efficient and accurate. The evolution of CNC machines didn't stop there though. As technology continued to advance, so too did the capabilities of CNC machines. They became smaller, faster, more powerful, and more versatile. Today, CNC machines can cut, drill, and sculpt almost any material you can think of, from wood and metal to ceramics and plastics. They've become an essential tool in numerous industries, from automotive and aerospace to healthcare and consumer electronics. So the caveman not only invented the microwave but went on to create the entire digital kitchen. Now hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to step into the world of modern CNC machines where they're so smart, they almost make morning coffee for you. We've come a long way since the early days of CNC machines. The 21st century has ushered in a new era of advancements that have transformed the face of manufacturing. Today's CNC machines are not just tools, but they are intelligent assistants, working alongside humans, streamlining processes, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One of the most significant advancements has been the integration of artificial intelligence. AI, has elevated CNC machines from mere machines to smart systems that learn and adapt. They can now predict potential errors, optimize processes, and even make decisions. Yes, you heard me right. Our machines are starting to think for themselves. Alongside AI, machine learning has also made its way into the CNC world. It's like a machine's personal tutor, helping it learn from past experiences and improve its performance over time. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, enabling CNC machines to identify patterns, anticipate problems, and adapt to changing conditions. The result? Increased efficiency, reduced waste, and improved quality. And let's not forget about the other high-tech features that have become commonplace in modern CNC machines. From high-speed spindles that increase production rates to multi-axis capabilities that allow for intricate designs, these machines are more capable than ever. They're like Swiss Army knives, equipped with a tool for every job. In addition, today's CNC machines are more user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and easy-to-use software. This means you don't need to be a rocket scientist to operate one. They've even gone wireless, allowing for remote monitoring and control. So, as you can see, modern CNC machines are more than just your average burr-making machine. They're technological marvels, equipped with the latest advancements, and ready to take on the challenges of the manufacturing world. And that's how today's CNC machines are more like R2-D2 from Star Wars than just a burr-making machine. If you think CNC machines have peaked, think again. The future is as bright as a laser cutting through a metal sheet. Now let's look ahead, beyond the present, into the uncharted territories of the future. What does that future hold for CNC machines? Well, it's brimming with possibilities, and it's more exciting than you might think. Imagine this: a world where CNC machines are not only controlled by computers, but also by virtual reality and augmented reality. Sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, right? But it's not as far-fetched as it seems. With the rapid advancements in technology, this could be the reality of tomorrow. In this future, you could don a VR headset and virtually manipulate a CNC machine in an immersive, three-dimensional space. You could make precision cuts, drill holes, and carve intricate designs, all without ever touching a physical machine. And with augmented reality, you could overlay digital information onto the real world, providing you with real-time data and insights to improve efficiency and accuracy. But the future of CNC doesn't stop there. We're also looking at the integration of more advanced artificial intelligence. AI has already started to make its mark in the CNC world, with machine learning algorithms helping to optimize toolpaths, predict machine failures, and enhance the overall efficiency of the manufacturing process. In the future, we might see AI taking on an even larger role. Machines could learn from their own experiences, adapt to different materials and conditions, and even communicate with other machines to optimize production. It's a future where CNC machines are smarter, faster, and more autonomous. And as these technologies become more integrated with CNC processes, we'll see a revolution in manufacturing. Products will be made more efficiently, with greater precision, and at a faster pace. It's a future where the only limit is our imagination. So brace yourself, the future CNC machines might just be the droids we're looking for. So we've time-traveled from the brrr-making machines of the 1940s to the R2-D2S of today, and the droids of the future. What a journey. We started with the humble beginnings of CNC, where rudimentary numerical controls transformed the manufacturing landscape post-World War II. It was a time when the world was eager for progress, and CNC was a stepping stone, turning complex manual operations into automated processes. The brrr noise of the machines was the symphony of progress, a testament to human ingenuity. Then we moved into the era of evolution, where CNC machines grew from simple, single-task devices to versatile powerhouses. From the late 20th century to the early 21st century, we saw a flurry of advancements, from the introduction of CAD and CAM systems, to the integration of the internet and wireless technology. These machines, once confined to industrial settings, began to find their places in educational institutions, small businesses, and even homes. Next, we marveled at the modern CNC machines, the R2-D2S of today. These machines, with their sleek designs and advanced capabilities, are capable of precision and efficiency that would make their predecessors pale in comparison. They are the wizards of manufacturing, creating everything from intricate jewelry to massive aircraft parts with a level of accuracy that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. And finally, we peered into the future, a place where CNC machines could become self-sufficient droids. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things are set to revolutionize the CNC world even further. We can envision a future where CNC machines not only perform tasks with superior precision, but also learn, adapt, and make decisions. That's all for today, folks. It's been a thrilling ride through the past, present, and future of CNC. And remember, next time you hear a CNC machine's brrr, that's centuries of innovation talking. So until next time, keep those gears turning, and let's continue to marvel at the wonders of technology.